Crown width 5 inches.
Alright, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Length 6.5 inches. Hat circumference 15 inches. Make 3 more circles. To make this ear, we are going to connect the 2 pieces together. Put 2 of them with the wrong sides facing each other. To connect the 2 pieces together, slip stitch into the edges of the circle. Lastly, connect the ears into the beanie. Start sewing from round 3 down to round 6. If you like this video, click like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you on my next tutorial.
What a wonderful world.